Hey, it's me, Leah from Printify. BigCommerce is an e-commerce platform built for growth. One of their main missions is to help you sell more at every stage of business growth. Put that together with Printify and there's no doubt you'll be raking in those profits in no time. To get you started, we're going to show you how to connect your BigCommerce store to Printify. There are two ways you can go about this. You can either start from your Printify account or from BigCommerce's app marketplace. Let's see how to connect your store from Printify first. In your account, go to the drop-down menu in the upper right corner and find Manage My Stores. Click Add New Store and find BigCommerce. Then click Connect. Next, you'll be asked to log in to your BigCommerce account. Lastly, enter your store name and continue. And that's it. Your BigCommerce store has been successfully connected. Now let's check out how to connect from the BigCommerce app marketplace. From your BigCommerce dashboard, go to Apps to get to the marketplace. Search Printify, select the app, and click Get This App. Log into your BigCommerce store and click Install. You'll need to be logged into your Printify account. And then confirm. Once confirmed, enter your store name and continue. Now your BigCommerce store is connected and you can access Printify from your BigCommerce dashboard or from Printify.com. And before you start selling, remember to set up shipping as well. And we're done. You've now got two amazing platforms connected, meaning you're ready to start earning amazing profits. Make sure to ask any questions in the comments below and remember to like and subscribe to see all of our Printify tutorials.